This abstract bright red sculpture symbolizes friendship between our two countries. This was a gift from the Mexican government. And it's also a downtown reference point to help find your way. You make these, huh? Oh, wow. That's pretty cool, man. What's your name?
Mike.
Mike?
Yeah.
You from here?
No,
originally?
No, I was born in New York originally, but ended up down here.
Oh, yeah?
After my dad got out of the Army.
Out of the Army, huh?
Yes, sir.
That's how you lost your leg or what?
Nah, I lost mine due to infection.
Oh, infection?
Yeah.
Diabetes or what?
Nah, strep throat actually.
What?
I shit you not.
No shit. You go to the Army, come out, and you lose it from damn infection?
I never served. My dad did.
Oh, you did. You did.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
okay.
I got too much respect for our military to claim that one. I appreciate.
Hey, that's pretty good, man. What do you charge for these?
I just asked for a donation. Whatever.
Donation, huh?
Whatever it's worth to them, to you.
Yeah, I think I got a couple bucks here. Shoot. Man, that's pretty cool, man. They're made out of
palm leaf.
Palm leaf. Oh wow.
Yeah,
that's cool, man.
Yeah.
There you go, bro.
I appreciate that, man.
Hell yeah. What do you do? Just your little hustle, huh?
Yes,
hey,
sir.
that's cool though. You know what I mean? A lot of people out here just panhandling and begging and stuff like that. At least you got a hustle, man. That's awesome.
Too many people out here with a handout, you know?
Hell yeah. Hey, I was just went to Mexico last weekend, and I seen this little 11-year-old. He was 8 or 11 years old, man, and he was out there hustling. He was like, no. I tried to get some money. He's like, no, let me wash your shoes. He sat there and scrubbed my shoes, man. Like, I mean,
there's some people that learn early that it's better to earn it.
Yeah. Are you living on the streets or?
Yeah, unfortunately, I currently am.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a little camp over by a church over here, but they're finna run us off again on Tuesday.
Hey, I know. I seen that, man. I was over there by the Highway 37, and I didn't realize, but they got fences up around there.
Yeah.
They ran the whole camp out of there. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just
really
been trying
nowhere for us to go, but they don't want us nowhere either. Like.
Yeah.
Kind of a catch-22 situation.
Hey, that's pretty cool, man. How long you been doing that, or where'd you learn to do this here?
Actually, I learned this from another young man out here.
Really?
Yeah. It took me over a year of being a salesman for him. He said this hustle's earned and not learned.
Yeah.
So worked for him for about a year before I ever learned to fold my first roast.
Hey, that's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, boom.
A little rose, huh? That's awesome. How long you been out here on the streets?
Oh man, on and off for like the last 6 years.
6 years, huh?
Give or take.
How long you been here in San Antonio?
A little over 20.
How you like it?
Shit, I'd rather be in Alaska.
It's hot as hell over here, huh? Yeah, I know, man. That's so big.
Yeah.
It is.
Spent 5 years in Fairbanks as a kid, so
yeah.
I'd rather be in Alaska. Shit.
But what's your name again?
Mike.
Mike.
Everybody calls me PEGLEG.
PEGLEG, huh? Man, from an infection. That's crazy, bro.
Yes, sir.
Man. So I thought he served in the Army, but it was his dad that served in the Army. But still, man, to lose a leg of an infection, you know, that's crazy. But he's out here hustling, man. He's not out here begging, panhandling, you know what I mean? And that's cool to see people like that, you know what I mean? There's no excuse for people out here that just asking for a handout, you know what I mean? That man had a no leg, in a wheelchair, you know, hustling. You know what I mean? That's pretty awesome. Give this to my wife. Unique. Something different. You don't see every day. You know what I mean? And he ain't asking for $5, $10, just whatever you can spare. You know what I mean? Whatever you got. You know what I mean? But let's go see who else is out here, man. Like I say, learn from everyone and follow no one. This right here is the best part of the Riverwalk. It's where my wife and I got married. We got married right there on the stage. Very historical place. While all of our guests sat across from the stage right here. Remember, always strive to do better, to be better.